We launched Firefox OS last year in July. We're very excited with our first partner, Telefonica, launched the ZT device open in Spain. And we've now, since then, over the last 6 to 7 months, we've launched actually into 15 countries, 7 operators in Latin America and Europe. And today we have 4 OEMs launching devices in market. Right, so we have ZTE, Alcatel, Huawei, and LG devices.
Hey, thanks for coming and for kicking off your mobile congress with us here on a Sunday night. What we're all about is bringing people online and giving them an online life that respects them, their privacy, and security. So tonight, I'm announcing something that's pretty exciting for Mozilla, and I think it's going to be exciting to people all over the world who want to get on that. It's a $25 smartphone.
We're super excited to work with Spreadtrum. They've been a great partner for a little while, and we're working with them to build this $25 smartphone. What they've done is taken their technology on the chipset side and created a turnkey solution so that they've kind of taken out all the hurdles needed and worked with Mozilla on the software side to really optimize for 128 megabytes of RAM, a lower kind of CPU type of processor that really helps make the price affordable. And then from that device, we're working together to be able to bring that to market and very easily sell to the users there who are actually looking for their first smartphone, especially if they either don't have a phone or are currently using a feature phone today.
We'll also be moving into new markets. So as we mentioned earlier, we have Firefox OS in 15 markets today. Over the next several months, we're going to add 12 new markets. Telefonica is adding 8 countries with Firefox OS. Deutsche Telekom has announced 4 new countries. And then later in the year, we're going to have a large focus on Africa and on Asia. So as you can see, the momentum is there. Firefox OS has taken hold, and the footprint will grow as we go throughout the year.
So when we launched the device, our goal was very clearly to build a simple, intuitive, great experience for initial smartphone users. And as we continue to build the product over the next several releases, we're continuing with that theme and evolving the experience. We're adding additional capabilities to the platform, we're creating new UI experiences so users continue to get a refreshed design experience. And we've really been able to integrated the DNA of the web into the user experience. We believe in time the web is going to create and give the users all the content they need. But today we know that a marketplace of curated content, of top applications, and local applications really matter. So there's a couple ways to get content. One is in our marketplace. So users go to the Firefox marketplace, find their favorite applications. A lot of the top 100 apps in the world are available, as well as local apps made by developers in specific markets. So in Brazil, for example, they built a specific app for their market, for their users, as well as in Eastern Europe. That's the same thing. Another way actually is the adaptive app search. So users can type whatever they're looking for and actually get a content back in app format, but very relevant to the content they type in actually into the query. So Firefox OS is an open source based platform, an OS that we've developed in the open from day one. So any of our partners like Telefonica or Deutsche Telekom, they've all contributed and been a key partner in actually building the overall platform. So things such as the communications app, from the dialer to the contacts, these are things Telefonica has worked with us on, as well as Deutsche Telekom has spent a good amount of time working with us to build the newest capabilities that are kind of coming out later this year, such as NFC. So the Web NFC API is a great example of great collaboration between an operator and Mozilla.